Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं मागता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं. वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक चॅनलाचेर येवकार तुमकां दिता. So today I brought a dish that is called Goan Pork Roast meat. Okay, without pressure cooker. I'm not going to use pressure cooker this time. In a pan it will be cooked on a slow flame. तर आयज हांव कुकर उजार करना. पयले हांवें जें केल्लें तेतून चिली पावडर आनी तल्ले रोस मीठ एक केल्लेलें आनी खूब जाणांनी म्हटलें की अशें करूं नाका आनी हें तें just forget it. So I said let me do you another way of Goan pork roast, which is I will grind the masala and all. So this is 1 kg of pork meat, that is belly, and it's like I have marinated again overnight. I have taken less fat and more of meat because it's pork roast. So it is 1 kg, and I've taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So I had applied it and overnight. Salt to taste. So I used around 3 teaspoon of salt for this actually. 3 teaspoon of salt. Then ginger garlic paste, which is 1 big tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoon of vinegar, and I kept it for overnight. It's nicely marinated, and so now we'll start our cooking procedure. So to grind, what we need is 1 onion. So this is 1 onion. Then we need to grind, I'm taking 2 red chilies. Then this is 1 pod of garlic. This is 1 teaspoon of khuskhus poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame, white sesame seed, that is till. Then I am taking around 1, 3, 4, 5, around 30 peppercorns, okay, and 30 peppercorns, and this is around 15 cloves. Then this is 2 of cinnamon stick, 1 of this of turmeric, whole turmeric, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. So this is all for grinding. So we have to grind this again. कोंकणीन सांगता, 1 धाकटे कुलेर आमचे जिरे, मागीर 4 आमचे इलायची ग्रीन वाली, आनी 1 आमची मसाला इलायची, दॅट इज काळे पळय इलायची आसता पळय ते, 1 येदो पीस हल्दीचो, 2 हे आमचे हे cinnamon stick, दालचिनी, ओके, तिकी आमची तिकी, एक एकदा like it's like a little bit this sometimes English to Konkani to English. So तिकी 2 आहल्यो, मागीर 15 हांवें कालाफुरा घेतला, दॅट इज लवंग, ओके, 15 घेतल्या, आनी 30 काली मिरी घेतल्या, मागीर 1 धाकटे कुलेर आमचे पॉपी सीड खसखस, आनी 1 आमचे तील, ओके, 1 धाकटे कुलेर. हे आमकां वांटून घेवंक जाय, आनी 1 धाकटो कांदो, आनी 2 ह्यो मिरसांगो, आनी 1 हे, ओके, हे वांटून घेवंक जाय. मागीर आमी सोंसावतली मासाक तेला बोगोरा, तेल घालची ना कित्याक दुकराचे वॉसीनूच तेल सुट्टलें. सो तेका हांव घेतली हें सोंसोवपाक. ह्यो घेतल्या हांवें, ह्यो मोडूंक जाय मागीर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 कश्मीरी चिली रॉंगाक लागून, आनी ह्यो 3 गोंयच्यो मोटक्यो मिरसांग्यो, मागीर 3 हांवें घेतल्या ह्यो आमचे इलायची ग्रीन कलर, हरवी कलर, मागीर 2 ह्यो घेतल्या तिकी, मागीर हिंगासर उडयतली हांव हातून 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 कशें 12 ते 13 हे आमचे मिरयां, आनी तितून 10 ही 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 कशी लवंग आनी 2 हे व्हडले घालता हांव कित्याक म्हाका गार्लीक न्हू आख्खी बरी लागता ती शिजता तेन्ना आनी 2 व्हडले कांदे आनी हे बे लिव्स ओके हे वयतले आमचे हेज्या बरोबर मासा बरोबर ओके सो आय विल रिपीट नाव इन इंग्लीश सो around 6 Kashmiri red chilies, then 3 Goan chilies, 3 cardamoms, this small like this size of cinnamon stick, then this is around 3 6 and 8 9 10 11 11 to 12 of peppercorn, and this is like around 9 of cloves, 2 big onions like this chopped, 2 of whole pot because I love this whole pot of garlic, and 2 this bay leaf. So first thing we will grind this and then I will show you. Grind this in a water. If you want to add vinegar and grind, it is up to you, but I already added in my marination vinegar and I use this again. You can use any vinegar. I am using this Pedro vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar, even apple cider vinegar, whatever vinegar you have. You can use even wine if you want to. So some people use feni also. So let's make this paste, okay? तर आता माझा मसाला रेडी झाला. तर आता आम्ही एका घालूया, ओके? मासाक लावूया. हे मातशे लावन दवरतात जाल्यार तुमच्यान लावन दवरूं येता अरावंड 6 hours overnight, or you can directly do. So if you want to keep this for marination with this masala, you can do that, or you can, if you want to cook it quickly, you can do that also. आता आम्ही धरूया. सायडीक धरूया. आता आम्ही दुसरं काय करूया. तर आता आमकां तेल घेवपाची गरज ना. आणि इतून आता हांव डायरेक्ट हे मासाक न्हू सोडटा. सो नाव आय वील जस्ट लीव दिस मीट. सो वॉट एवर ऑयल वील गेट, देन वी वील फ्राय आर अदर इंग्रेडियंट्स, द होल मसाला, ओके? हे मागीर घालता मसालो हात होतो. हाय फ्लेमान दवरता. So that fats which is there will release the oil. आता इथून माशी जी सुटल्या was, so now I will put my whole masalas in this, whichever that fat is there, and let it get fry in that. And this is my way, you can do whichever way you want. Then I'll break the chilies also. Chilies also, how much you want to break in. I'm not breaking this, I'm putting whole. And your kano. Now I want to turn this. So I will turn this up and down. See. Now we'll put this whole masala in this, and then we'll cover and cook this till it is done. And cover this and cook. It will release its own juice now. I don't want to add any water, but if you want to add, you can add 1 cup of water in this. Cover this and cook this till it is done. So now it's still getting cooked. So it will take approx 40 minutes to 50 minutes in like this. If it is cooker, then it is like around 4 to 5 whistle, or sometime it takes 6 whistle. Okay, so now let it get cooked like this only. This is after 30 minutes actually. Now I will have to wait till it becomes a little bit room temperature, and then I will cut this in slices, then again put it in the gravy. So approx total is 60 minutes cooking if you are not using your pressure cooker. So now let's cut this. Juicy it is. तुमका जोहे जाहे पे ते तुम्ही कातरात बारीक मोठे असे पण तुमका जाय ते तुम्ही कातरात तुमचेर आसा ते. आनी आमकां 10 मिनटां हें घालून तितून शिजोवंक जाय. ओके, आतां हितून घालून 10 मिनटान आमकां शिजोवंक जाय. तर हांव आतां दुसरो पीस हें करता. Almost done. Salt, masala, everything is perfect. आता ह्यो दुसरो पीस काडुया आनी कातरुया. गरम आसा हें. ओके, आतां हें सगळें पुत्तून आमी हितून घालया. ते ग्रेवीन घालया आख्खें मसाल्यान आनी 10 मिनटां हें सगळें शिजोवया. ओके, कोणाक अशेंच खावंक जाय तेंच्यांनी हें अशेंच खावं येता. ओके, कोणाक शिजोवंक जाय बरे भशेन ते मसाल्यान तांकां हें शिजोवं येता. तर आतां हांव हें घालता भितर आनी शिजयता. गॅस ऑन करूया. Let's put on the gas and on slow, let it get nicely in the full gravy. Okay, another for 10 minutes. So here is my Goan roast, that is pork roast, is ready. And this time no pressure cooker. I've used the ground masala as how people had demanded. So hope you will all like it. मागता की सगळ्यांक तुमकां हें बरो लागतलो आनी टेस्टी लागतलो. ह्यो म्हाजी रेसिपी गोवन पोर्क रोस्ट. थँक यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. गॅस बंद केली. आतां हांव तें सर्व करतली आनी खातली पाव बरोबर. पाव बरोबर खावं येता, पुलाव बरोबर खावं येता, या शीता बरोबर खावं येता.